Hey beautiful person, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix FIFA 23 error. The application encountered all uncoverable error, and it's very annoying, and I have a solution for you. I'm going to share with you in this short video what I've tested myself and it worked. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. I really appreciate it, and do it for this cute dog. He's gonna be very happy. This cute dog, look at this eyes, this look. So yeah, just make sure you subscribe, and now let's jump right in the video. So what I did to fix this problem, just press on your keyboard Windows logo plus I. I like this shortcut. Instead of, you can also go here to settings. But yeah, and here in settings, guys, what you have to do is to click on apps and then installed apps, and here write store, Microsoft Store, and here click on the three dots and then select advanced options. And then what you have to do here is to click on reset, and if reset doesn't work, click on repair. And that's pretty much what you have to do. Also, make sure now you restart your computer, and that's pretty much what you have to do. I really hope, guys, this video helped you, and I'll see you now in the next video. Take care.